legendary HP LaserJet. There are over 60 million out there. To see what makes them so reliable, you have to look deep into the original HP toner cartridge. That's where up to 70% of the science is. Come on inside. HP printing science starts with the little things. With over 1 trillion toner particles 1/12 the width of a human hair. The scale is tiny, but the effects are huge. HP achieves amazing consistency of size, shape, and performance by growing particles around wax cores, adding a soft colored layer and durable colored shell. Shortcut this recipe like bargain toners do, and all those particles won't flow smoothly. They may stick together, which can stick you with higher maintenance and reprinting costs. What creates the sharpest prints? Consistent toner particles guided by laser. Where the beam hits the photosensitive drum, it changes the static electric charge, and the charged HP toner particles follow. But color requires more than one cartridge. Yellow, magenta, cyan, and black must come together seamlessly at top printer speeds to do the job. So that you get the quality you paid for and avoid potential problems, HP microchips detect counterfeit cartridges. HP chips also adjust the static electric charge and laser intensity throughout the life of your cartridge as the drum and other parts wear. At every step, HP science is on your side. HP toner, with its consistently low melt point, needs less time and energy to fuse to the paper. The result? Fast, high-quality printing and lower energy cost for you. As you can see, there's a lot going on inside an HP LaserJet toner cartridge. 1 trillion particles orchestrated perfectly. 4 colors blended brilliantly. Integrated components working in harmony. That's the science inside every original HP toner cartridge. Science that works day after day, year after year, from the first page to the last.